With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question here is that the Tarun observed a slide of the white blood cells under the microscope. His teacher asks him to draw the diagram. Select the diagram which would shown by the Tarun here, right? So let's see the explanation now. So here we have to tell about the diagram of the white blood cells, right? So if we talk about the white blood cells here, so they are known as the soldiers. So they are the soldiers in our immune system. And what is the role of these soldiers here? So these white blood cells, they usually act against the foreign body, right? So whenever any foreign body it enters our human body, say it's a bacteria, virus, any pathogen, so this white blood cells will get activated and it will kill that foreign body here, right? Now if we talk about the specification of white blood cells, so we could see that there are of two types. The first one is the granulocyte, right? And the another one is the agranulocytes, right? Now this granulocytes, it has the presence of the granules in it, right? And agranulocyte is without the no granules here, right? So this is the major difference here. And we could see that in white blood cells there is the variety of, or we could say the types of nucleus, right? So white blood cells, they are of different kinds, right? So the variety, it could be bilobed, right? It could be a multilobed here, right? Or it could be single lobed also, right? Now if we try to see all these features in our given diagram, so our diagram B, it shows that the nucleus is of many types here, right? We have lobe, bilobe, multilobe here. So our option B is right here. This is the diagram that should be drawn by Tarun here.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.